Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. I got a UPXMP SD40-2 number 4202, added Tsunami sound and the working ditch lights to it. So why don't we just take a look at this guy real quick. It's weathered. I added the all wire grab irons, roof eye bolts, Detail Associates air hoses. There's a grab iron on the top above the number board on the conductor side that's added as well. I don't know, that's a pretty sharp looking engine, I think. And in the back, the prototype, the number boards were blanked out and they have the numbers above the way it is shown, so I just added that as well. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. This one's going to be up on eBay, so hopefully somebody likes it. Alright, bye.